peanut butter banana brownies. Delicious! If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin by mashing 2 medium or large overripe bananas. This makes about 1 cup when mashed. Transfer to a medium bowl, then mix with 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Next, add melted butter, followed by 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/8 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Stir well to combine, then add 3/4 cup all-purpose flour. Mix until just combined, do not overmix. Then stir in 1/4 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. Next, line your 8x8 pan with parchment paper. Transfer the mixture, then spread evenly. Drop spoonfuls of peanut butter, then make swirls. Now let's bake at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. Let cool completely before slicing. You can serve this right away or chill first. Try nyo na and let me know in the comments. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.